you. We have completed the basics of the Python, and I have created like 15 lectures on that. And now we will be building projects. So I'll start with the small projects and then take you to the advanced one. This is a small program to remove background of an image. So for this, first of all, you are going to need these libraries, which are remove background, easygui, and pil. So for that, you're just going to come to a terminal window and install these libraries such as pip install remove background easygui and hit enter. You see it says requirement already satisfied, but for you it will download the data and install these libraries. Alright, so now the next part of the program is to import these libraries. So first of all, we are going to import remove background. So for that, we will use from remove background import remove. So what this does, this helps us to remove image background, right? And the next thing we are going to need is easygui. What easygui does is that first let me import easygui. It provides a simple graphical user interface. The easygui provides us simple graphical user interface. And the next thing we are going to need is pil. What pil does is that it's used in image processing and manipulation. From pil import image. And now we will write our code. So for this, first of all, we are going to open a dialog box that will select our file. So open a dialog box for selecting a image. For that, we will use input path equal to easygui dot file open box and inside title equal to select file. So we are using easygui to open a dialog box, and we also selecting an image file, storing it into this variable named as input path. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to select after removing the background where we will store our image. So we will open a dialog box for saving our image. For that, we will type output path equal to easygui dot file save box and inside title equal to save file to this location. And now we will manipulate our image using pil. For that, we will select this variable which has our image stored. So we are going to apply pil on our selected image. So for this, use input equal to image dot open input path. And now this line of code will remove the background. So removing background, we will use output. We have created output variable. And now we are using remove function on our input value. And the last step is we will save the output image by using output.save method. So if I run my program, here you can see the easygui has opened this box and asking us to select the image. Now I'll go to my files and select the image I want to remove the background. So I will select this. And now again, the easygui is asking us for the location to save the file. Here, rename your file and add the extension elon underscore without background dot png. Save it, and you can see it has successfully saved. Now if I go to my files, open projects, project one, and here you can see it has removed the background. Here are some white on the edges, but it has done an amazing work. So yeah, that was a small project, and we will be building at least 5 projects. So this is the first one, a small project, but it does a very good job. So yeah, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. You can learn from me in live coaching. Just message in my socials and I'll teach you.